Hi, I'm Aslam Kunhi Mohamed from ETHZ Zurich. So this was a great event that we attended on Superplasticizers. And my contribution, we were a lot of talks going on, and I was one of the keynotes where I was presenting on the application of advanced computational tools in really trying to understand the PCE mechanisms, or admixture mechanisms, and also to aid in designing of new materials that's more important, especially in the to achieve net zero carbon dioxide emission for the concrete industry as a whole. So I was giving an overview of the different computational tools that people can use in the academics, as well as which will aid also the industries in better designing of new superplasticizers.